another episode of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at a Morningstar trade setup. A Morningstar trade setup, like the name suggests, is a bullish trade setup. In this case, we're looking for the price to come into an important support and resistance level, show us a Morningstar trade setup, and then once the trade setup is formed, we're looking for price to go up from there. So this is a bullish pattern. We're looking for price to go up. So let's go to the charts, take a look at what this looks like, where to enter the trade, where to place the stop loss, and as always, where to exit the trade with a profit. Here we're looking at a Morningstar trade setup. This is pound dollar 30-minute chart. A Morningstar trade setup is formed with 3 candlesticks. This is a bullish pattern, and we are looking for price to move higher once we see the Morningstar trade setup formed. In this Morningstar trade setup, we have a bearish candle, and in the middle, we will have a small candle which suggests that there is indecision in the market, a doji, and then we have a big bullish engulfing candle that engulfs the previous 2 candles. So this shows us that price has tried to break lower, but it's not able to. So we have buyers that have stepped into the market. That is shown by this bullish engulfing candle. Once we see the bullish candlestick close, we look for a bit of a pullback, and then we enter the trade long. So in this case, we enter the trade long here, and we stay in the trade for as long as price is moving higher. And then we see that price starts to go sideways here and pull back. So we have multiple red candles. This shows that price could go lower now. So we exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 80 pips in our trade. So just to recap, a Morningstar trade setup is formed with 3 candlesticks. Once we see the Morningstar trade setup form, we wait for a bit of a pullback and we enter the trade long, as this is a bullish chart pattern, and we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving higher. Once we see that the price starts to pull back and we see multiple red candles here, we exit the trade. Our stop would be below our chart pattern here. We need to make sure we give our trade some room to breathe. From entry to exit here, we get 80 pips in our trade. So the profit would be $800 if trading 1 standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you enjoyed this trade setup. If you like this episode, please feel free to subscribe to the channel as well as share it with your friends who may find this beneficial. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.